Hello, I thought I would do something with my YouTube channel rather than just showing off firmware updates for the Xiaomi Redmi S2 and Y2. I have a DVD that arrived from Malaysia, and if you haven't already spotted what it is, it's Pokémon Indigo League episodes 1 to 79. So it's interesting packaging. Malaysian DVDs are odd. There's 2 languages. Let's just take a look at what we've got here. Okay, so English Mandarin version. I wonder if it's uncut. My nails are quite dirty there. So you've got it in Tagalog at the top, which I believe is Malaysian. And I mean, the cover's quite nice. Some of it looks a little tacky. So you've got the shiny material used there on the Pokemon. See it closer, it's almost reflective. We're getting real close. Okay, so I'm going to open this up back in a second. And there we go. So that's actually a cardboard sleeve. Interestingly, it's got a little bit of the cover in there. I don't quite know why. This is just a strange image. Is that meant to be a Pikachu and then Raichu's broken through? I'm not too sure. I'm not even sure what that is meant to be there, really. Looks almost like tape. I don't want to be on film, so I'm going to carefully angle this. And I'm going to turn that over. Okay, so some of the discs had come out in shipping. And they don't appear to be in order really either. So we've got one here, which in my mind should be on the left. And I can't get that back in. Yep. Ah, there we go. Okay, so that's how it should be. So there was one disc out of place. Take a look at the wider picture. Yeah, and they just use the same pictures for each disc. So to get 79 episodes on 4 discs, or let's just round up to 80. That would be 20 per disc, 20 episodes per disc. There's a lot of compression in that. So what I'll do is actually, while I'm talking here, I'll superimpose some video over the top. But yeah, I'll let you know what the quality's like, and I'll put a sample up and let me know if you enjoyed this video.